type of nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these drinking too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in him in some picture, bro. They look bro, hit this dick and start getting low. I spent 500 racks on the Lambo and didn't even know how to make them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna lift the dough. Barely fit, but don't play with me, period. You just follow behind in the years. In the road, I feel like a tourist. I'm the one from the bottom who sold out my partner, the promise, God, the period.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited because I've never done a video like this. I never done like a face-to-face. I always do voiceovers. This is fun. Okay, as you can see, I'm all undressed. I was supposed to do this video earlier. I was waiting for my other package. Girl, why somebody stole my package? So now I gotta improvise, but I did get one. So I did get one of my packages the other day. I was waiting for this other one, but you know, people want to be hoodlums or whatever. So we're gonna unbox. Oh, it's so pink. It's so cute. Look at it. Yes, we're about to go. And we see the presentation. This is so cute. That little girl, she look a little young. Oh, this is so cute. Right. Hey, so we got the box and you see what it says it's for. This is so cute. I got the Pilates bar with the resistant bands. And let's open it up. It looks so cute. It's pink, it's pink. Okay, let me chill. Look at the Pilates bars. And it comes with the adjustable straps. So I got the one for like tall people just in case my man wanted to use it too. You know, I ain't want to be selfish. Because you can work on all parts of your body with this. You can work on... Let me focus on the video so I can edit. Yeah, you can work on all parts of your body with this. So I got it with the adjustable height. This is so cute. And it comes with a training guide. Look at it. The presentation is on point. I liked it. It comes with a little travel guide. This is so cool. Okay, let's open it. Okay, just a little strap. I see it. It's hard to do in one hand. Let me just put this on the tripod. I want to put it on the tripod, but I'm just gonna clog it up or something because it would just be too much. Okay, my sheets will be clean because I did laundry, so we're good here. Look at this. It comes with the anklets so that you can do like your donkey kicks or whatever. These are sturdy as heck. See how hard it was for me to open? With the pink lighting on the inside. I'm obsessed. I'm in love. It's super cute. Here's more. Another one. These are so cute. I think I use these in the gym too. These look pretty sturdy, right? Let me know in the comment section for my gym girlies. This is the door stopper. So you could do your what you call it? You know, you could do the arms or the legs. You could do the donkey kicks or the arms with this with the door. It's super cool. It looks pretty sturdy too. It don't look like it'll break my door. Yeah. Guys, look at these. What is this? I don't know what this is. Have to be. Oh, this is the feet thing. Yeah, so it comes with a lot of different bands. You see that, guys? Huh? It smells like rubber. It smells like bad rubber. Yeah, these look very sturdy. Okay. It's so hard too. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna get your bang with this. Okay, guys, these are super sturdy. Do you see this? These things have a lot of resistance. This one I think goes up to like 150 or something like that. Yeah, I wanted one was a lot of thing. And then look, because I think it's pretty heavy at the gym. At the gym, I'll be doing like 200 pounds of leg press machines. I wanted something that was at least close to that. But they didn't have the pink ones in like 200. They had the black ones, but I didn't want that one. This is so cute. Look at the thank you card. I just tossed a pretty letter like that. This is so cute. I like when brands take the time to do this. Okay, Tim. Tim is so nice. Tim wrote me a letter. Don't nobody ever write me a letter. He said, dear friend. Me and Tim are friends. Me and Tim are friends. This is my best friend. I'm Delulu. First, thank you for letting me. Okay, Tim. Oh, this is a big chart. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys this one. Okay, guys, now that I finished the unboxing, we can do the voiceover, and I'm gonna start answering the questions. I only got 4 questions. I do appreciate the people that did ask me questions, but whatever. Only 4 questions, so it's quick and easy. Let's get to it. Okay, so the first question was, am I single? Weird question. No, I'm not single. So the next question was where I'm from. I'm from Harlem, New York City to be exact. I said I'm from Harlem, New York City to be exact. You know what I meant. That was crazy. The next question was, when's my birthday? My birthday is May 4th. Taurus gang in this. Okay, and the final question was, what do I want right now? What do I want in this exact moment? I want to get better at content creating. I want to, get more orders. I want to get more reach in my business. Yeah, I think that's pretty much what I want right now. I'm chilling. I'm focused. I'm really determined right now. So I'm like, I have tunnel vision. That's all I can think about. But yeah, I really like this brand. This brand is super cute. I like their efficiency. I'm thinking this is supposed to be some cute little gift. Oh, they're so efficient. You want to make sure you don't sue them. I like that. They made sure everything was, nice and presentable. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.
Oh, you know, I fuck with signs and I'm gonna bust. You can't put on that drip, you ain't one of us.